Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn agriculture together, step by step. Welcome, I am Vidya. In this chapter, we study agriculture in India, the different farming systems, the main crops grown, and the challenges farmers face. Indian farming takes many forms. Primitive and intensive subsistence farming grows food for the family. Commercial farming aims at the market, and plantations grow single crops like tea and coffee on large estates. India has 3 cropping seasons. Kharif crops like rice are sown with the monsoon. Rabi crops like wheat grow in winter. Zaid crops like watermelon are grown in the short summer season. India grows a wide range of crops. Rice and wheat are the main food grains. Important commercial crops include sugarcane, tea, coffee, cotton, and jute, which is called the golden fiber. The Green Revolution raised food output through better seeds and irrigation. Yet many farmers hold small plots, face uncertain monsoons and low incomes, so government support and reforms remain important. To recap, agriculture is the backbone of India, with varied farming types and 3 cropping seasons. Many crops are grown, and reforms aim to support farmers facing real challenges. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.